Hello children, welcome to the class. In this class we are going to see the 4th standard term 3 unit 1 poem Let Us Sing. Be honest. So all of you children take page number 71. Let us sing the song poem Be Honest. Amma will often say, be honest all day. Amma will often say, be honest all day. Still troubles make me fall. Still troubles make me fall. I want to be a truthful at all. I want to be a truthful at all. Amma will often say, be honest every day. Amma will often say, be honest every day. To say truth when I'm wrong. To say truth when I'm wrong. I may have to be 18. I may have to be 18. To Amma I say often. To Amma I often say. Don't you hear them lie? Don't you hear them lie? She says many may lie and go. She says many may lie and go. But honesty will help us grow. At last I have this to say. I don't lie to this day. The text is the rhyme. Let's try this one day at a time. Did you love the song? My dear children, let's practice in your home. Thank you. Let us move on to the next topic, supplementary readout. So all of you take page number 77, my dear children. Let us read the story. Okay, you can take the page number 77. The Mistaken Plate. There are two main characters in the story. There are the two merchants. Okay, there was the one merchant who sold things made of brass and tin. He used to travel across the river and mountains and to sell the brass and tin. He always traveled with another merchant. He also sold the brass and tin. So they both of them crossed the river and mountain to sell the things. Okay children, did you get it? There are two merchants. They sell the brass and tin across the river and mountains, and they sell the material to the people. And they buy material from the melt and use. Metals that be melt and use. The second merchant was always greedy, and he always paid the less amount to the merchant. What happened? One day visited town, they splitted the streets. One street was one merchant, and the next street was for second merchant, because they did not want to disturb each other. And they went to the streets and shouted, "Utilizers made of brass and tin for sale." They each of them sail in the different streets. And here there was a old house. There a woman and her granddaughter lived. Once there was a wealthy family. So in the old house there was a grandmother and granddaughter lived. They was a healthy people. But what happened, my dear children? They are now poor. So they could not have anything to buy and anything to eat. They have sold all the things in the house except the one plate. The plate was grandmother's husband plate, and she kept it for his memory. So what happened? The second merchant shouted across the house. So here the granddaughter wanted to buy something. So she asked his grandmother to sell the plate and buy something. The grandmother called the second merchant and tell that we don't have anything to buy. We only having this one plate. Could you take the plate and give anything for us? And the second merchant stretched the plate to test what the material it is. He found it. What found it? The second merchant found out that it was a golden plate, but he was so greedy merchant, and he refused to tell the truth to the grandmother. And he said like that, this plate is not worth, and it is not worth than even a 1 rupee. And he threw the plate into the ground. He went away. And after what happened, both merchant completed their streets, and they are in the exchange. So what happened here? The first merchant come to the second merchant street, and second merchant come to the first merchant street. So here the little girl asked her grandmother, Grandma, what shall we do? We shall ask this merchant again, please, Grandma. And due to her granddaughter request, the grandmother asked the first merchant to what? Yeah. And what happened? Mama, I mean the grandmother called Amama. The girl called Amama, could we ask this merchant also? And Amama called the first merchant, and she told the happening that the second merchant throw the plate into the ground. And the first merchant tell that the truth, and he tell that it was a plate made of gold. And the first merchant tell that this plate was made up of gold, and I cannot have huge money to buy this plate. Amama was shocked and asked, is this really a gold? Then why the other merchant throw this plate on the ground and went away? She was confused. And he replied, if you sell this plate, you can take any materials from my dishes, and you can take all the dishes you want. And the little girl takes some dishes for her choice. But the merchant was not happy, and he gave all the money he gave to Amama, because the golden plate was very costly. So he gave all the money to the Amama, and he kept only 8 rupees for the ferry home. And he went towards the river, and he paid the 8 rupees to the boatman and went away and across the river. Children, what happened? The greedy merchant returned back, and he asked the golden plate that he would give 10 rupees. But what happened? Amama replied, the other merchant will have paid this golden plate for huge price, and you consider this plate became worthless. But what happened? The other merchant come and buy the plate, and he give huge things to me. So the greedy merchant lost the golden plate. So what happened? What happened? In this story you have to learn, we must not to be greedy to anything. Okay children, thank you. Let us meet in the next class.